Let's ask for Forex trading. I know many of you have been waiting for a very long period of time and been asking me, Naeem, when are you going to deliver a masterclass on Forex trading? Given the fact that your wealth of experience spans over 15 years where you worked as a hedge fund trader. So we wanted to know the secrets, and then we want you to help us in our journey to become a successful trader. So here it is, folks. After such a long time, I was able to find some time free in my busy schedule to put this particular course together. And I'm very excited because this particular course is very much different to other courses that you will see, because in here, we talk about live trading results. We talk about the trading strategies. We don't necessarily in this particular course talk about, buy low, sell high. No, that particular mindset isn't really what works the best in terms of a Forex trading. So we are talking about, yes, buying high and selling it at a higher price, or going short at a lower price and going and closing that position at a further lower price. So it is very much of a trend following strategies and live trading results based on those particular examples. And I talk about a lot of different aspects from my own life, from my own experience as a head of research for several different brokerage companies, running the trading desk for so many different companies. So it is a lot more excitement in this particular course, and I am actually very excited for this particular course to deliver it with yourselves at Udemy. So as always, it is important for me to go through all the disclaimers, because nothing can be taken from this particular course as an advice, because I am not aware of your risk profile. Yes, I have done everything within my power possible to explain to you guys the fundamentals of risk management, because there are two things in trading which works the best. Number one is your risk management rule, and number two is trading psychology. And I have gone in a lot more detail throughout this particular course, discussing all these particular aspects in this particular course, understanding how to use leverage in your own favor while understanding the risk of leverage as well. But more importantly, it is about using right technique. It is about having a mindset which tells you you do not have to have a trading strategy which is going to have an 80% winning ratio, 90% winning ratio. No, not at all. With a trading strategy in this course, by using data from ONDA Trader, that there are live trading examples where you can see a trading strategy has produced over 200% results on different Forex pairs, which you can see it later in this particular course. Just to explain a little bit about myself, for those of you who don't know me, but you should, if you watch TV, then you must have seen me. I come with a wealth of 15 years of investment experience. I am a regular guest on CNBC, Bloomberg. I'm also a columnist at NASDAQ. Before that, I was a columnist at Forbes US, and still currently contributing to Forbes Middle East as well. In terms of my career, I started as a portfolio manager at a pension fund, and then worked my way up to become a hedge fund trader with Bank of New York Mellon and equity trading with Bank of America. I have guest lectured at Ivy League universities such as the London School of Economics, and it is a process which I am still very much doing so, because I believe in giving knowledge, sharing knowledge with others, and then helping others in becoming the successful trader in their particular journey. So what are you going to learn in this particular course? What I'll be teaching you in this particular course I'll be forming foundation. So anyone who doesn't know anything about trading, this course is for you. So we'll be forming the foundation. We'll be going through all the fundamentals, all the techniques, all the slogans and the jargons which are used in trading, and then teaching you from very scratch, and then building you from there onwards to the upside. And then secondly, this course is also for those individuals who want to understand and wants to have a deep understanding of what exactly is Forex market and how does it really operate. So by going into this particular course, by taking this particular course, you will understand all of that particular element in this one. And third, economic data. What kind of economic data is there out there? How does it influence particular currency? What time the data, those particular economic readings, they come, all of that, all covered in this particular section, and a lot more detail. Then we go into how currency markets operate, the volatility, how it behaves on the back of that, this particular currency market. So really, really some important information in relation to that as well. And then we go into further analysis and then further conversation within that one, where we talk about, okay, how currency market very much operates, as I mentioned, the volatility. But the next one is how the effective use of technical analysis, because that is certainly very, very important, this particular aspect of it, that how it really operates, and how you can use technical analysis in your advantage, really. So it is very, very important on that one, because there are so many people talking about technical analysis. They're telling you to use this particular technique, use RSI, use MACD. Are they really effective? How to use them more effectively? But in this particular course, I promise you, we are not using any of those particular tools, which I love them. But this particular course is not about technical analysis. I have gone and I've explained to you every single, the most important ones. But the trading strategy doesn't necessarily talk about those particular tools or uses any of those particular tools. Why? Because we trade the price. We look at the price and then we make our decisions based on the price. And that is the most beautiful thing about this one. And then from there onwards, we move into technical price patterns, which you will hear many people again talking about them. But in here, we talk about them from a broader perspective, and then we take them in a little bit more deeper from that particular perspective as well. We just go a little bit more deep in relation to technical analysis. But of course, the most important one is trading strategy, as I mentioned, that actually works. Buy high, sell low, sell close even more lower with those ones short. What I mean by this one, the second part, you don't understand it, don't worry about it, because I will explain every single thing. What do I mean by going long? What do I mean by going short? What is entry? What is stop loss? How many different type of stop losses are there? We go in all of these particular details in this particular course with examples, with live trading results, and then making you guys understanding the importance of leverage, understanding risk management throughout that one, and how to effectively use risk management so that capital preservation is the main goal in this one. Because the whole trading strategy doesn't focus on win ratio, that, oh, I wanted to have this particular strategy which has a very great win ratio. No, the best trading strategy that I have has a winning ratio of less than 40%, meaning 60% of the trades are not working, but yet the results are more than 200%, more than 100%, more than 70%. You will see them throughout this particular course, how great those particular ones are. And as I mentioned to you, psychology plays a huge part when it comes to trading, and there is nothing more important to pay attention to psychology. And I go through all of that very, very clearly by showing you that it is about having a right mental stage, having discipline, because losers are going to be part of the business. We embrace them. We are thankful to all the losers. What we need to make sure is that we apply right techniques, risk management by having appropriate stop losses and risk management, risk to reward ratios in place through which we aim to become a successful trader. And that is what I have discussed in a lot more detail in this particular course. See you in the next chapter.